So with that, I will be proceeding further with the business plan, how you are going to earn money in this organization with this beautiful business. Again, you can see in the bottom, it's completely free and optional. If you just want to become the user, you can be user. And if you are interested to earn something with part-time earning or by doing full-time job, it's up to you. You can do that. And I will be introducing that concept with you. So before moving forward, let's try to understand the difference between uh, traditional selling and direct selling. In the traditional selling, what used to happen is any products which has been manufactured in the factory, you will be having different intermediaries. It is being manufactured, then it will be dispatched to its warehouse. From warehouse, you will be having high logistics. From there, it goes to zonal distributor, to the state level distributor. Then you will be having city wise, tehsil wise, taluka wise distributor, retailers, hypermarts, supermarkets, finally to the small distributors or the retailers. So in that, there is high percent distribution which is happening for any one product. And on the top of that, if someone is producing and if it is not consumed, they are not going to get profit of it. And every company wants to uh, get more market share. And when they are going to get more market share, when their customer base is going to increase, so for that they hire no advertisement agencies, and those advertisement agencies will charge them in lakhs and crores. And for small advertisement clip which you used to see on your TV or in the hoardings or in your cinema theater, uh, so crores and crores rupees are being spent just to position that product in your mind. Because I have done my MBA in the marketing, so I know this entire concept, why those advertisements are there. So any products whose manufacturing cost is 6 rupees, we will be seeing in some time how the product's price is going to increase. So Amitabh Bachchan is there. More than 50 products, different 50 product advertisement or promotions he used to do. Likewise, if you see Aishwarya Rai was there, then now Katrina Kaif is there, Alia Bhatt is there. They are advertising for Lux. Just Google it out. The company, the product Lux, when it started, and it's not recently. No, it's been promoted in Indian market. It's history. More than 50 years, we are using Lux. And if you see the description, it is known as toilet soap. And something when it is toilet soap, we know the difference between what is toilet soap or a bathing soap. And do you think the maid of this celebrities are using Lux? Even their maids are not using it. Likewise, if you see Shah Rukh Khan using advertisement of Pepsi, and with just one advertisement, he is getting in crores and becoming the brand ambassador. But if you go and find the actual manufacturing cost of half liter Pepsi bottle which you are purchasing, is just 6 rupees. But we are buying it in 60 rupees. MRP is nothing but maximum retail price. And we are getting in MRP. So where this 54 rupees is going? This 54 rupees has been distributed in this intermediary which you are having, and the huge amount of budget has been inculcated in this advertisement media agencies and this brand ambassadors, so called. And all these people, they used to claim themselves, no, they are great petrol of this India, but no, that's not there. If you talk about Sachin Tendulkar, if you talk about Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, all these celebrities, they are foreign companies' agent. In very blunt manner, I am saying, because they are doing advertisement, they are making their pocket full, and crores of millions and billions of dollars is going from my country to outside. So on the other hand, In direct selling, what used to happen, these intermediaries, we won't be having this link, we won't be having big distribution chain, we won't be having this agencies which are doing advertisement. So this 6 rupees, which is the manufacturing cost, you won't be getting in 60. At max you may get in 15 rupees or 20 rupees. So that thing we will be seeing in detail here. So when you are starting this business, joining is free. You are not going to pay even a single rupees to me or to anyone. On the top of that, you will be getting 10% to 30% discount on every product. Why this 30% discount is coming? As we have seen, those intermediary links we are not having, where the entire distribution used to happen earlier. So just for taking example, say suppose if I am taking this aloe vera juice, which is 500 ml, its MRP is 375. But when you are becoming the associate of this organization, you are just getting in 290 rupees. So why this 290 rupees? You are getting this 30% discount, as I just mentioned in the previous slide. Apart from that, on the top of this, with this associate price, company is taking out some more money. That is known as business volume. 125 business volume company is taking, and this business volume also company is distributing among ourselves. Why so? If you understand business volume, say suppose Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, he comes and he says, I am 70 years of old, and the the secret of my vitality is this aloe vera juice. What's going to happen? The audience who are going to see his advertisement, uh, they will be very impressed. Hey, when Amitabh Bachchan is using this, and that must be the reason of his health, of his good health. So thousands and thousands, hundreds and thousands of aloe vera bottle is being sold by on that particular day. So what is going to happen? The volume of that particular product will increase. Indirectly, the business or the business volume of any particular product will increase whenever there will be some celebrity endorsement. Correct? Here, that was a case of traditional marketing. Here in direct selling, we are not doing any advertisement, we are not doing any propaganda, but we are the brand ambassador. Over Zoom, I am explaining to all of you, I am not selling products to you, I'm just explaining, hey, these are the things which I like and I am using, and I am being beneficial of that, and you can also try. So if the 16 people are joining here, so to this 16 people, I am the brand ambassador. So what company is saying, this business volume we are going to distribute in the network which we are developing, which we are building. So another product, say suppose Shri Tulsi is there. Another example is its MRP is 195, but its associate price is 145. So you are just paying 145 to any outlet or to any distributor from where you are purchasing, and this 55 rupees is being distributed across your network. So 89% distribution company is doing. I challenge you, go into the market, compare any MLM plan, be it Vestige, be it Amway, be it MI Lifestyle, anybody, their maximum distribution is just 60%. And IMC is having USP where we are doing highest percent distribution, that is 89%. And remaining 11% you will be seeing we are giving it to our distributors like outlet distributors, the distributors and others. And among this 89% also, 52 will be in the performance bonus, 15% will be in the leadership bonus, and 22% are going to be distributed in the royalty and the other kinds of funds, which we will be seeing in detail in the following slides. So if I talk about the sources of earning, more than 10 to 12 ways of income you can generate from this business. For example, one source of earning I can give, that is retailing. For example, as per the minimum wager Indian Act also, somewhere around 6,500 to 10,000 a person has to be get per month if he is doing some labor job. But, and you would have seen, there are many people who are selling nuts and some other raw materials over the market, on their four wheelers which they are having. Say suppose if someone who is coming from very backward, very low segmented financial background, and on an average, if he is selling just 10 Shri Tulsi on a day, 10 Shri Tulsi means you can see the difference. He is getting Shri Tulsi in 145 rupees, MRP is 195, which means 50 rupees on each Tulsi he can get as his profit. On a day, on a single day, if he is selling 10 Shri Tulsi, which means his daily business is 500 bucks. If I calculate for monthly basis, 500 multiplied by 30, that is 15,000. Any single person can get just a retail profit. And we are not talking about retail profit. So my entire focus will be here on the business volume. So this MRP to associate price is again one big chunk, which if someone was to tap and utilize, they can. But in the following slides, I will be talking more about how this business volume has been generated. Again, this entire business is being carried from the wagon that is known as word of mouth publicity. If you like any product, if you like any services, obviously we used to refer someone. So suppose if you are seeing Bahubali movie, if you liked it, we will say, hey, it was superb movie. One must watch it. It's lifetime movie kind of thing. If you like sweets from some shop on your birthday, you just take 2 kg of sweets. Your 10 friends who are eating, they are saying, hey, from where you got it? Oh, this particular shop is there where you are going to get. Okay, in my birthday also, or in my child's birthday also, I will be ordering from that shop. I will be ordering the cake from this particular vendor. But what you are getting? You are not getting anything. You are not getting any benefit. Even I bought Patanjali products worth somewhere around 75,000 rupees, and one day there was 1 rupee change which I was not having. I said, okay, just give me the discount of 1 rupee. He said, boss, why should I give you? Patanjali is not giving me. And that's the business. But it's not going to be case here. The more you are going to refer, the more you are going to earn. Refer and earn. That system you are going to get here. How? Let me tell you. So, as you have seen, every single product is having some business volume. That is nothing. The marketing and the sales promotional value that company is associating with that product. So if I talk about Himalayan Berry, so 220 business volume is in this product. If I'm going to buy Himalayan Berry, my personal business volume, that is known as PBV, will be 220. Likewise, if I'm going to buy one more Shri Tulsi, 220 plus 50 rupees Shri Tulsi's BV, so 275 will be my PBV. So in a month, whatever products I am purchasing, okay, the moment you are going to join here, you will be getting one account. Registration is very simple, just 2 to 3 step process. It's not going to take more than 2 minutes, very easy. You can also do one OTP is going to come in your mobile and you are going to register yourself. That's it, very simple. The moment you are going to buy this product, where you are going to buy this products, you are applying, or the person who has introduced you with this business, they are going to locate the distributor or the outlet, nearest outlet to you. You can directly buy from them. At the time of buying, you have to say, this is my associate ID. With your associate ID, he's going to do the invoicing. When the invoicing is done, bill is going to generate, and in your account, this personal business volume is going to be added. But you're not going to stop here. If you like something, you are going to obviously say to many people. You will be having many friends. Say suppose friend 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These 5 members are joining, and whatever, and they are in turn going to add many people, their family members, relative, friends, and whatever they are purchasing, that is known as group business volume. Just 3 technical terms we are having. Whatever you are purchasing, that is nothing but personal business volume. Whatever your group is purchasing, that is group business volume. And together, your personal business volume plus group business volume will become total business volume. So your entire earning system is based on this total business volume. So say when you are going to complete 1001 total business volume, company will say We are going to promote you because you are now becoming the loyal customer. We are going to promote you to the star one level, that is 10% profit level. What does that mean? It means tomorrow if I am going to buy Shri Tulsi, again I am going to pay 145 rupees only, but 55 was the business volume. So 10% of 55, that is 5.5 rupees I am going to gain my payout, in my monthly payout, which is going to generate. Again, this 1000 BV you are not buying, you with your entire team is buying. Okay, roughly you must be getting at a what is the value of this 1 BV? Roughly I can say somewhere around 1 BV is equivalent to 2.5 rupees to 3 rupees. Why it's not exactly 2.5 or 3 rupees? Because every product is having different business volume, and the business volume margin will be different. Say suppose if I talk about rice bran oil, its MRP is 180, its associate price is 155, but business volume is just 30, because their margin is very low. We have to maintain very high quality. That's why we cannot give margin in some products. But the products where we are having the monopoly, say suppose like this Himalayan berry, we can have the business volume as 220. Likewise, say suppose next month or any time, the moment your total business volume, again I am not talking here about personal business volume or group business volume. Here whenever I am referring TBV, that is total business volume, the moment it becomes 7501, your profit level is going to increase to 20% and you will be star level 2. Again, please mark my words, all the calculation in this business plan, whatever I am going to show, whether it is a funds or bonus or its business volume, this is cumulative plan, which means if your 1000 business volume is completed, you need not to do 7500 once again in the next month. Anytime, the moment you are doing just additional 6500, you are going to get 20%. So this is your total business volume. Likewise, when this is going to grow to 25,001, that time you will be 25% level, and when it is going to be 75,001, your level will be 30%, and that is known as star 4 level. Again, due to COVID situation, sometimes company used to have some offer. This month company has given the offer, if someone is doing 7001 BV, that is personal business volume in his personal ID in single or multiple billing, he is going to be promoted to the level 3 and will be getting 25% business volume. It means he need not to do additional difference of this 25,000 and 7,500. Likewise, the recognized level is when you do 1,50,000 business volume, you means your entire team will do, your profit level will become 35% and you will be getting one recognized level in the company, that is known as superstar. Again, for fast achiever, if any person who is doing 75,001 business volume in any single month, say suppose I joined since 3 months, but first 2 months I have not worked, or my business volume was just 10,000 and 15,000, but on the third month itself I was able to complete somewhere around 76,000 business volume. So in that month itself, company is going to promote me to the superstar level. So the moment you will become superstar level, uh, here your main earning will start. Till this superstar level, your monthly earning will be very less. To be frank, if I tell you, this is the business of patience. One example in our previous meeting, which Udayji or Kuldeepji was giving, there are two kinds of farmer. One who is doing the normal farming, yeah, Udayji was saying, where they are having the Harif and the Ravi crops. Every 4 months they are yielding. But another farmer is there who is planting mango trees. So their investment is once. Mango tree will take 1 or 2 years, say suppose, for reaping the mango. But after 2 year or 3 year, with less investment, he just need to take care of those trees only, and the roots are so deep rooted that they will take water automatically from the nearby areas. Then third or fourth year onwards, they are just going to reap. Same thing happen here. Any business, if you talk about here, see, investment is zero. If you want to increase your speed, you can start with big investment. That option also I will be giving you at the end of my slides. So just for earning first 10,000 rupees, someone can take 3 months, someone can take 4 months or 5 months, or maybe 6 months. But the moment you are going to become superstar roughly means your average income will be somewhere around 10,000 per month. Earning 10,000 here is little tricky, little difficult, where you are learning all the business strategies, how to no, you are getting training on the products, different kinds of products are there, business plan, marketing, sales. Company is having its own inspirational inspire world wing, separate wing for training and marketing. With the help of that wing, when you are being trained, it's going to take 6 months to understand the business, to understand fully. After 6 months, when you are going to start earning, that time your earning will be more. And that's what happened in this traditional business. Man, 20 year of education, 12th standard, 4 year of college, and sometimes we used to take the master degrees. After BTech, they will do MTech, or after BBA, they will do MBA. Again, 2 years. After that, also, when the company is recruiting you, they are not directly putting into the project or do any productive work. Again, you are undergoing the industrial training. So 6 months or 3 months in the training. After 3 6 months, you are going to become productive, and then you will become as that organization. Before that, when the training period is going on, that is liability. Liability, which means investment from the employer to you. Likewise, here you will be having some investment. If not money, then at least time. Okay, I am proceeding further. Now, in your group, you become superstar. Someone also will become superstar in your down the line. Say suppose if 1% reaches to 35% level, and you have 30,000 business volume from the remaining legs, your level will be 38%. That is known as silver star. And if you become silver star, here you can see your performance bonus is becoming 38%. Your leadership bonus, one more extra bonus you will get. As I said earlier, 89% bonus company used to distribute. How? Where? This is how. So leadership bonus 5% and travel fund is 2%. What is this travel fund? What company do is, from his monthly turnover, company will take 2%, and that 2% they will say, suppose if there are 1,000 silver star associate in an organization, they will divide that 2% in this 1,000 silver star associates. Roughly around 3 to 4,000 income you will be getting. So if you are going to become silver star, somewhere around 10,000 to 20,000 you will be earning. The next level of this hierarchy is gold star, where you will be having 2 superstar with one side business volume, or sometimes it is referred as personal PGBV, personal group business volume, which means whatever business volume is coming under this superstar in this group, that is not calculated. Apart from this two leg, your personal business volume plus group business volume, remaining of the people is known as 25,000 business volume. See here, your performance bonus is increased by 3%. Earlier it was 38, now it is 41. Your leadership is also increased by 3%. Now it is 8%. Your travel fund was 2%, and now one new fund has been introduced, that is bike fund of 2%. Again, the funda for calculating this income and distributing is same. 2% of the company's turnover divided by number of gold star. And please remind my words, as I was saying earlier, your entire business plan, business volume, and the bonus is cumulative, which means if you are becoming gold star, you are getting travel bonus also from the silver star, correct? Which means one new additional bonus is added, but your travel bonus still you are getting. It's not like Vestige or some other organization where unless and until you are not going to travel, you are not going to get travel bonus. Here for sure you are going to get the travel bonus. Again, next level is Ruby Star. If you are going to have 3 superstar in your 3 legs, additional or optional business volume, You will become Ruby Star of the company with 44% performance bonus. Your leadership bonus has been increased again by 2%, now it's 10%. Along with travel and bike fund, this new fund, which is car fund, is introduced here, again 2%. And one more fund, that is meeting fund, 0.5% meeting fund also you are getting. Next level is Ruby Star with 4 superstar. Your performance bonus increased by again 3%, 47%. Leadership bonus increased by 2%, now it's 12%. With travel, bike and car fund and meeting fund, you can see one more fund, that is house fund, is added here. Now, okay, rough income when you become Ruby Star, it will be around 50,000. If you become Diamond Star, somewhere around 75,000 you will be earning. And if you become the next level, the next recognized level, where people will dreamt of, no, becoming Chairman Star in this company, there they will consider that as their first benchmark. Here you will be earning somewhere around 1 lakh rupees per month. You will be having 5 superstar and 5 different leg, and your performance bonus again is going to increase by 3%. Now it is 50%. Let me remind you what this 15% performance bonus is. Say suppose this bottle, its MRP is 2000 rupees. This associate price is 1500 rupees. And the business volume is 500. If I am going to buy this alkaline bottle tomorrow with this 50% performance bonus, out of 500 business volume, 50% means 250 rupees is going to come and going to account it in my payout. Leadership bonus again increased by 1%, 13%, with travel, like car, meeting, house. You are having one more fund, that is known as Chairman Fund. Likewise, the level you are going to increase, you will be getting more funds. And here, one very important fund, RAB. Just remember the term RAB. I will be speaking in detail in the subsequent slides. That is Royal Annual Bonus. How here top earners are running Royal Annual Bonus in lakhs. You are going to get 1% Royal Annual Bonus. That's why just for getting this RAB, people target here to strive towards the Chairman Star. But till this point, you will be getting one more doubt. Sagar, you are saying fine, this performance bonus I got it 50%, but what is the use when I am only purchasing and you are giving me cash back from that? I'm paying 1500 rupees, and if I'm just getting 250 rupees back, that's not the income. What is real income here? So apart from this incomes which you are getting, you are having something which is known as differential income. What does differential income mean? If say suppose this 5 people, this 5 leg, they are 35, 35, 35%. As a Chairman Star, you are at 50%. What is difference between 35 and 50? 15%. Say suppose each superstar is somewhere roughly doing 1 lakh business volume per month. So 1 lakh here, 1 lakh here, 1 lakh here, 1 lakh here, and 1 lakh here. So from this leg, what will be your earning? 15% of 1 lakh is 15,000. From here, 15 here, 15 here, 15 here, 15 here, which means 75,000 per month you are getting as a differential income from your entire network. Okay, so that income is also huge. Then again, another question will come, Sagar, what if these 5 people will turn into 50, 50, 50? Again, I will be 50? No. Again, your level is going to increase. As you will become Ambassador Star, it will be 50.5, Crown Ambassador 51, President 51.5, and Crown President 52%. So as I was saying in my previous slide, in my first foremost slide, out of 89%, 52% is been distributed in the performance bonus. So this is where company will distribute. And you can see one leg has been increased, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, and 9 lakhs. Recently in this year, company has introduced 3 more level, that is Senior Director, Kohinoor, Crown President level. And for doing this, company has introduced some code of ethics also, because when the moment you heard the term network marketing, multi-level marketing, people are going to relate it with the pyramid scheme or the chain multi-level or all those kinds of negative things which happens in the past, where there are many companies which started with no product, just money circulation, were doing chit fund and money circulation act, they were coming under that, and those companies has taken the money.
आवाज नाही. मोबाईल तिकडे ठेव ना यार, मोबाईल तू आपला.
Can you please hear?
तू झोपायचं
Jiten,
तुझं.
I'm making you co-host. Please mute others. Okay, sure. So I will request if you are not speaking, if you are having some down, feel free to stop me by raising your hand. Okay. So now I am taking this discussion to another level, which means, say you are saying, Sagar, that's fine. This is how your company plan is. This is how we are going to earn. But how much I can earn in 1 year? How much I can earn in next 2 years, or in next 1.5 year? So here I have taken projection of just 18 months. That is, if you work the way I am telling, because I am not telling by my own, I am being associated with someone. I will be showing his checks and all in the following slides, who is no coming in the top 10 from the organization. I'm associated with that person, and whatever my applying, my senior is saying, I'm saying the same way to you. He is having some no business traits. He is having some success formulas which he has implemented, and he was able to distinguish himself from the others, and he grew like anything in this organization. The same way we can also grow. What we need to do is, I just want to have one commitment from your end. If you seriously want to earn 4 lakh rupees per month, then you must invest something. What you are going to invest? You need to invest yourself. I'm not talking about money. I'm not talking about time. I'm talking about your investment. See, when you are going in the school or colleges, you are investing yourself. You have invested your crucial 15, 17 years of life in education. Correct? Then in the organization where you have been trained. And that's the reason whatever you are earning 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 50,000, 25,000 per month is because of your skill set. Correct? In the same fashion, here also what I am saying is, this is the business of duplication. This slide I will be showing how we are going to duplicate our business. What I am saying is, change your shop, change your life. Means whatever groceries you are purchasing from Flipkart, Amazon, Groupers, Big Basket, just order it from here. From the August month itself, company is going to go e-commerce buyer, where you can purchase your order online and you will be getting home delivery. As of now, you need to go to the nearest outlet or distributor from where you need to buy it. So I am giving you commitment that just in 18 months you can earn 4 lakh rupees. But the commitment which I need from you is become 100% user. That is, when you will be coming into the training of this system, out of our 6 basic rule, first is 100% user. How to become 100% user is minimum 1000 business volume, 1000 PBV, personal business volume purchase. If you are going to do, then you are going to use the products, then only you can propagate the good words to others. And then every month have one active sponsorship who can buy 1000 BV products. So see, here my projection goes. So you can see different columns, number of months. The second last column is number of team members you are having and the total monthly business volume. So in the first month, what I am saying is, just buy 1000 BV products, which is somewhere around 2500 to 3000 rupees. And what you have to do in this 1 month is use those products and see. You might be seeing many advertisement, and just on trial basis, no, you used to take this soap somewhere, this shampoo, this hair oil, and whatever suits your body you will keep it, others you will throw it, or you want to repurchase. In the same fashion, in the similar fashion, you buy it first time, and if you see, hey, I bought some product in 2500 rupees and I got the value of it, I'm not satisfied. If you are not satisfied, company is giving you 30 days money back guarantee. Company is so confident in its quality that they are saying if there is some defective product or you don't like the product at all, you just return it. We are going to give you back. But if you like it, then as our word of mouth publicity, we normally used to share with others. If you start sharing, again, this 1 month, what I am saying is use the product and then learn other products. I will be sharing some videos, or the person who has introduced you to this meeting, they will be some sharing some videos, audio, some promotional videos of this company. Do some R&D, because here if you want to really invest your time, do some R&D. Go to the Facebook page of company, its YouTube channel, its company website, which I have given to you right now. uh, you're having it, like, do full R&D, see his certificate, and see for Shri Tulsi more than 26 liability test reports we are having. Different claims were done. We are the market leader. We have done the process patent for making the Shri Tulsi. So go and watch all those things. Invest your 1 month in that. Next month, what you need to do is, next month, again, as I said, this green bar is you. You second month purchase 1000 business volume product and introduce one active member who can buy 1000 rupees. Say suppose if I compare North India and South India, the per capita income of North India is, really very low. In South India, per capita income is huge, high. At least majority of us are belonging to the metro uh, politician cities, where in the metros, the cost of living is high, per capita income is high, purchasing power is high. This 1000 is nothing. But still, just for your reference, in my first month, we are talking about total monthly business volume. My first month total monthly business volume was somewhere around 26,679, roughly. Means more than 25,000. My group size was somewhere around 150 odd people. Here, what I'm saying, just you for the first month. So here, my projection, which I am projecting here, is very, very slow, super duper slow. And in the second month, what I'm saying is, you are buying 1000 BV product. One more person whom you introduced, he just bought 1000 BV product. He also has not done anything. He is also just duplicating you. He has also just trying the products on the trial basis and going through all the company literatures. So your total business volume will become 2000. My business volume in the second month itself was 50,000. The total group was 300, because I want to roar. I want to fly like a rocket. That's why I was running in very high speed. But I'm just calculating here. I'm just doing a projection with a mediocre speed. What is going to happen in the third month? Okay, and roughly how much you are going to get? Whatever your business volume is, your monthly income will be somewhere around 12.5% to 50% of that business volume. Say suppose if your monthly business volume is 1 lakh rupees, which means you are getting somewhere around 12,000 to 15,000 rupees in that particular month. Minimum income is 10,000 or 10%. So minimum 10% you are going to get. So that also I am keeping at very low. This entire projection I am going with the assumption that it is just 10% of your monthly total business volume which you are going to get. So third month, again, this green bar is you. You bought 1000 rupees business volume. This orange bar is one new person which you have introduced. So as you were seeing, one leg was increasing. After every level, silver, gold, ruby, diamond, chairman, and so on. So the topmost level, Kohinoor Crown President level, where you will be having 16 different legs, 16 different superstar. So what commitment I am asking you is one active associate per month, just 16 active associates in 1.5 years, 1000 personal business volume. So this is your second month, this is your third month, but this is your second direct in the orange bar. Okay, this blue bar was been introduced in the system in the second month, your second month. This month he will do repurchase of 1000 EV, and this gray bar which you are seeing, that is one new associate which he has joined and he has purchased. Fourth month, what is going to happen? So in the third month, when it was 4000 total business volume, in the fourth month, this again, green bar is you, this orange bar is one new person whom you introduce in this fourth month. Again, for orange, this is repurchase, this yellow is new person. For blue, repurchase, yellow is new person. Gray, repurchase, this is new person. Now it is going to become 8. Total 8 team members you are having, including you. I'm including you also. Total business volume is 8,000. So you can see in the first, if there is a 10% earning only, so how much? What is your earning so far? Just 800 rupees. If I calculate 10% of 8,000, that's why I told first 6 months, forget about your earning. First 6 months is investment of your time and learning. I would just like to take this projection for the 18 months. Let's see what is going to happen. From 8 it is going to become 16, 16 to 32, 32 to 64, just multiply by 2, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, which means if I see your total monthly business volume 20,48,000. Somewhere when you are going to cover 1 year, that time roughly 2 lakhs, near about 2 lakhs you can earn. Let's increase this projection. So in the 17th month, if you see, it is 65,536. Just for your and my calculation, and by taking 1 month of buffer, I will say 18 months you have not done anything. You said, okay, whatever is there, I'm not going to increase my customer, let it be the way it is. So roughly for my calculation, can I round it off 65,000 to 64,000? And the total monthly business volume is 64,000 multiplied by 1000. This figure, which you can see in the right bottommost corner, 6 crore 40 lakhs, which means if I want to see how much you are going to earn with this projection, 10% of 6 crore 40 lakh is nothing but 64 lakh per month with just 64,000 joinings. Here you are not doing alone. Okay, your entire network, your entire team is working with you. The 64,000 people, you are not going and recruiting them on daily basis. You are having big team and ever growing team which is doing recruitment on your behalf, and some of them are converted into users, some of them are associate who are actively becoming leaders, and they are also promoting this IMC business. But again, we don't accept, because majority of us belongs to the middle class family or the lower middle class family. We are not from so high, so-called very rich family where our parents are earning somewhere around 5 crores per month. No, that's not the case. We were not from we are not having some inherited ancestral properties, or not from so close high class, high business class people. So earning 64 lakh per month is just kind of a dream for us. And then you will start arguing me, hey Sagar, you are saying 64,000 joinings, that's not practically possible. On paper, this projection may look good, but on practically, this duplication may not work. Oh, just give me a minute. My battery is running. No, here we go. So, boss, this is not possible. So, what else is possible? You reduce the success rate of this plan by 50%. Okay, so this is just 50% now, and with the 50% success also, if you see, if not 64,000, it's just 32,000 active users who can buy 1000 business volume per month, somewhere 3 crore 20 lakh business volume you are going to get per month, and your per month income will be 32 lakh. Again, that may also looks impossible to you. Let's go one more step ahead. Let's further reduce it down. Your success rate, if by this projection, is just 25%, which means 16,000 people with 1,000 business volume. That is average business volume I'm taking. Some may buy 500 BV, some may buy 2,500 BV, someone may buy 5,000 or 2,000. Depends. No, they are nuclear family, joint family, or mid-sized family. So 16 lakh you can earn. Again, if you are still not able to digest, I can further reduce it. 12.5% plan also, if it's going to be successful, we are going to get 80,000, 80 lakh business volume for that entire month, which is 8,000 people, which means 8 lakh will be your monthly earning. And last but not the least, if this plan is going to become successful just by 6.25% also, 10% of 40 lakh is 4 lakh rupees. Let me remind you on the top what I said. Give me your 1.5 years, 18 months. I'm going to give you 4 lakh rupees per month. Just one single commitment from your end. 16 direct sponsorship, 1,000 personal business volume per month, and whatever direct sponsorship you are doing, just ensure they are also buying 1,000 BV products per month. And that's the key of success in this business. Okay. So again, before proceeding further, I would I can see there are many people we are having with us. Co-host.